Laggy gameplay ruining your winning streak? Tired of slow load times and choppy graphics? Ever missed a clutch moment due to stuttering? Multitasking feels impossible with constant freezes? Rendering videos takes forever on your old PC? Frustrated by limited storage and memory? Dreaming of smooth, immersive gaming sessions? Wish your setup could handle everything at once? Introducing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme Gaming PC. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Built for gamers, creators, and tech lovers. Powered by Intel Core 1 914,900 farads, 24 cores. Blazing fast 2 GHz processor for any task. 32 GB DDR5 RAM multitask without limits. Ultra quick 6000 MHz memory for seamless operation. 2 TB PCIe, 4 NVMe SSD, no more storage worries. Lightning fast boot and load times. Windows 11 Home, ready out of the box. Graphics powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. 16 GB dedicated graphics for stunning visuals. Play AAA games at max settings, no compromise. Experience smooth, immersive gameplay every time. Connect with HDMI and DisplayPort options. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast connectivity. 7.1 channel audio for cinematic sound. USB-C and multiple USB-A ports for all devices. Liquid-cooled CPU, stay cool under pressure. Tempered glass side panel for a sleek look. Custom RGB lighting, make it your own. Comes with keyboard and mouse included. 1-year parts and labor warranty. Free lifetime tech support, peace of mind. Let's compare your old setup versus 1E. CyberPowerPC. Old PC, slow boot, laggy games, constant crashes. CyberPowerPC. Instant startup, flawless gameplay. Old PC. Limited multitasking, memory overload. CyberPowerPC. Effortless streaming and editing. Old PC. Graphics struggle, frame drops. CyberPowerPC. Smooth, high-res, visuals always. Old PC. Frustrating storage limits. CyberPowerPC. Massive 2 TB SSD for everything. Old PC. Overheating, noisy fans. CyberPowerPC. Liquid cooling, silent performance. Old PC. Outdated design, dull lights. CyberPowerPC. Sleek case. Vibrant RGB. Old PC. Support hard to find. CyberPowerPC. Lifetime tech support included. Imagine gaming without interruptions or lag. Picture editing videos in record time. Envision streaming, chatting, and creating all together. No more waiting, no more frustration. Everything runs fast, smooth, and reliably. Your games look better, your work gets done. Your setup finally matches your ambition. CyberPowerPC is built for your needs. Whether gaming, creating, or multitasking, this PC keeps up with your pace. Say goodbye to slowdowns and crashes. Say hello to ultra-fast performance. Enjoy immersive graphics and massive memory. Connect all your devices with ease. Stay cool and stylish while you play. Get support whenever you need it. Upgrade your experience with CyberPowerPC. Stop settling for less, choose the best. Ready for next level gaming and productivity? Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Make the switch today, feel the difference. CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme, your ultimate upgrade. Order now and destroy the competition. Unleash your full potential with CyberPowerPC. Don't wait, level up your setup today. Click to get yours and start dominating. CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme. Game. Create. Win. The power you need. The speed you want. No more compromise. Only peak performance. Join the elite. Experience the difference. CyberPowerPC. Because you deserve the best. Ready to upgrade? Tap to order now. CyberPowerPC Gamer Supreme. Your game starts here.